bummed out because he didn't have enough to wrap the roof. What's up, you guys? So today I have a special video for you guys because the E92 is getting wrapped. If y'all saw my first video, this is something that I really want to do.
And wrapping the car is definitely in the plan.
So I'm really excited about it. I either wanted a satin red or a candy red. And what I decided to go with is Paradox Styling's Candy Ice Red. You can see it there in the back. Now he had wrapped a Nissan Skyline in it. And when I saw it in the video, I was like, you know what? That is a candy red that I want. Because there's different shades of candy red. I mean, it's not paint, but some are like a darker, deeper red, and some look closer to just a metallic. And so this is the one that I want. And who is gonna do it is Lone Star Wraps. His name is Angel. He's here from San Antonio, and he does it on the side. But I've seen him wrap his own E92 several times, and it comes out really good. So I trust him with it. And so what I'm gonna do first is fix all the hail dents to the car because it got hail damage, and then I'm gonna send it over to him. So I kind of marked where all my little dings are. They're not bad, they're just hail dents, but yeah, you can see.
And here we go. Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Dropping off the car because this guy's car looks very good. Came out really nice. His Instagram. Oh, sweet. This one's also wrapped. So we'll see how she comes out.
One eternity later.
All right, you guys, so we're about to pick up the Beamer. We're a couple houses down. We're about to see it. Now, I am a little bummed out because Angel had texted me earlier saying he didn't have enough to wrap the roof, which really sucks. You know, I had wanted to see it complete. He said he was off by 6 inches, so he barely missed it. Paradox sells the rolls 5 by 60 feet, so maybe just cutting off a little excess here and there, it'll probably do it to you. But that's fine. I'm gonna just get the roof wrapped in black. By a 5 by 5 feet, and he said just bring it back and he'll take care of it. So yeah, let's check it out. You taking a video or what?
Yeah.
Yeah, compared to the Bondo and everything.
Man, this thing is kind of shinier than I thought it would be.
Yeah, it kind of looks pink in like some areas. It's like different. Yeah, we did a little photo shoot with all 3 of the different colors.
That is bright.
Yeah, it looks better in the sun.
Man. Thanks, bro.
Yes, sir.
Heck yeah. Guys, the wrap looks super good. Even Mr. Frog likes it. So I should have ceramic coated the day that I got it. It's been a couple of days now, but the ceramic coating hadn't came in the mail yet. But this is what I went with. Halo from G Technique. It's like a 30 ml bottle. It should apply at least 2 coats, and it should keep the wrap looking good for as long as it can. So if you want to see that video, I'll have it posted next week. And also good news, Angel said that he just measured the roll wrong, and there is enough to wrap the roof. So he said bring it back, and after we do that, we're gonna get the taillights tinted, and then we're gonna get some good pictures.